Okay, so this is your Watch Me First for week 2. We are going to get started with the research aspect of it. There are two things that you are doing this week. The first thing that you are doing is a CITI training. Each student is required to have a CITI training certificate to be able to conduct research. It's a certificate that ensures that you know about the ethical practices of conducting research. No one is harmed in any way, the risk, the confidentiality, and all of those aspects of it. Some of you may have already have a certificate. Some of you may not have a certificate. If you have a certificate and it is valid till May 2023 or even later than that, then you can simply upload it over here. You do not have to do it again. If you don't have a certificate or if it is not valid, then you have to do the training. Here is the link for it. Let me mark it. So this is the link for it and this is the directions for it. So you have to do the training and here I give you the directions for the certificate. So if you've done it before, upload it, you're done. If not, then you have to do those training. The second thing that you're doing is you actually don't have to write your literature review. As I've said before in the previous week and in the introduction one, is this course is built on Intro to Research class. You do a lit review there and then whatever research problem that you had a research question, that is what you are going to spend this semester collecting data, analyzing it, whether it is qualitative data or quantitative data. So what you are going to do is you're going to pull out your literature review from your Intro to Research class using this template that is given to you. So this template is a very easy template. It's literally copy and paste. So you just take the whole paper, copy paste it, including the references. Just take the whole paper, copy paste it, and then you answer these questions that are at the end of this. Once you do that, you are going to upload it to this Dropbox. The rubric for this is given. This is from 50 points. Now, as you can look at the syllabus and you will look later on, this 50 points is not counted in the grade for this semester. For the first time, let me make sure it is not counted. It is unfair for me to grade you on something that you did it either in a previous class with a different professor, because sometimes expectations and other things are different. So this paper rubric is the same throughout all the Intro to Research courses, and it's actually exactly the same for your lit review for your applied research paper. So what's going to happen is you're going to submit your literature review. I am going to grade it. I'm going to give you the rubric to show you where are the errors or what are the things that need to be modified. I'm going to provide you feedback on your paper and I'm going to grade it from 50 points. You have the opportunity to revise and resubmit when you do your final research paper. I can always meet with you during the semester to help you guide it, provide sources, look at it if you want to set up a one-on-one, meet during office hours. But if there are no changes, that 50 points is what becomes your 50 points or 75 points as per the final paper rubric. There would be no change in the grade. So if you are scoring, and I hope nobody is, but if you are scoring, let's say a 40% on it or a 50% on it on the rubric and you make no changes, then this is exactly what your grade would be at the end of the semester. Your final paper is actually 150 points. So it's quite a bit. It's 3 times the amount points for this. And this literature review is a big part of it. So I wanted to do it. I wanted to show you what grade you're making and what it is going to be as the semester would end. So it is completely your responsibility to work on it. I am there whenever you need me. But if the literature review is not revised, this is the grade that actually becomes your actual grade in the grade book. So If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Don't hesitate to post on the course question discussion board. I look forward to knowing what your research question is. We have to have a measurable research question to actually conduct the study. So if you need to set up appointments, if you need to talk to me, hop in on the Zoom hours, just click the link, be there, I'll be there, and we can work together. And that is what it is for week 2. So best of luck, and I look forward to seeing what amazing research wonderings you all have.